In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure angle in Bluebeam. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Tools up top, and then you want to hover over Measure, and over here, as you can see, it says Angle. Now the shortcut is Shift plus Alt plus G on your keyboard if you want to use that. Now, whenever you click on this tool, of course, you must find the angle. I'm just going to go ahead and find a random angle over here. Let's say we're going to do this one right now, and I'm going to do it with one more after. So what you want to do here is basically go ahead and start with one of the parts of your angle here. So don't start within the angle, go ahead and start, for example, over here. So let's say we're trying to measure this angle, which we know for a fact is 90 degrees over here, but still, you want to start over here, come to the basically point of the angle, and then click again, and then go ahead and just start dragging it out, and there we go. It's going to give you a measurement. Now, if this angle was different, I could go ahead and just move up, and as you can see, it's going to say the degrees, but of course, when you're done, just basically click, and it's going to tell you your angle over here. So if I go to the tools again, measure, and if I again use the angle tool over here, and let's say I want to measure this other angle over here, for example, let's say I roughly want to measure this one, for example, this one over here, I can do that as well. I can go like this, click over here, and then there we go. As you can see, it's going to tell me it's roughly like around 96. If I click again, there we go, it says 96 degrees. So that's how easy this is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.